Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Dusty here. Today I'm going to be talking about channel memberships, and I'm going to be talking about how to set up your perks as a creator for your channel membership. So YouTube now allows you to have people who support you monetarily for $4.99 a month, and you can see here, I'll show you what it looks like on a video page of where they can join your actual, become a member. In order to have eligibility for these features, I've pulled up the page here. You can see that your channel must have over 30,000 subscribers. You got to be in the YouTube Partner Program, and then a couple of other things here. And if you meet these requirements, you will have the availability to accept members for your channel. And so this is just another way for you to monetize your channel. Now there's three different types of things that you can do, different perks that you can provide to your members who decide, hey, I want to throw them $5 each month to show them, hey, I love them, I support their content, I support their channel. And those three things are loyalty badges. I'll talk about those shortly. This allows for a custom kind of image, a little small image to be next to their name when they comment on your videos or when they are commenting in one of your live streams. And that's important as well. Next would be custom perks. Now, under custom perks, you can kind of add these. Now, mine have been approved. You've got to get these approved, but some perks may be a sponsor only or a member only private streams, or a member-only giveaway, or a member-only Discord. There's a bunch of different things that you can do here under perks, but again, these will need to be approved. If you want to add a perk, you basically go here, click the Add Perk button, and then give the perk a title, a description, and then some instructions on how you're going to implement the said perk. So if it's a Discord, you can just say, Discord for members, and then here in description, describe what the Discord is, and then basically here in the instructions, you would include a link to join that said Discord. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click Submit Changes for Review. And then YouTube will go through, they'll see if it's something that is eligible to be a perk, and then they'll approve it, and you're good to go. As you can see, I've done a couple here, sponsor-only private or member-only private streams, member-only giveaways, and then I'm also going to be doing a member-only Discord as well. That's something that I'm working on currently. Now, if you want to delete something, delete a perk, you just click delete right there, and you're good to go. And then lastly, there are custom emojis. I'm going to go ahead and leave now. And so under custom emojis, this one's pretty cool. This will allow them in chat on your live streams to have emojis that are only for them that they can use if they're a member of your channel, a la Twitch, where they allow you to have emojis there when you're, in someone's Twitch stream. So again, this is very much in competitive, this is very much competing with Twitch's subscription program as well. And then once you're good to go, you can upload your emojis here, clicking the blue upload button once you have someone design them or you've designed them. And then under loyalty badges, if you want to add the loyalty badges, which is something really cool that I've done here just literally a couple of days ago, is that not only will they have these badges next to their name when they comment on your video or when they are chatting in your live stream, but they will also have a different color name, so it makes them stand out, and it's another way for you to promote and try to implement this on your channel. There's also some good guidelines over on the right for each one of these perks, so it says, what kind of badges should I offer? Can I change my badges? How do I design my badges? And then it gives you some good examples of what other creators in different spaces or different niches are using for their channel. Now, with the badges, you need to read the instructions here. The minimum is 32 by 32 pixels. The maximum is 320 by 320 pixels. Let me show you now what mine look like. So basically, I've used a stock imaging site to download some really cool looking smiley faces, and I have resized them to fit the actual badge requirements. Again, I really encourage you to get someone or yourself to design custom ones, which is what I'm doing. But as you can see, I've uploaded a different, I'm not sure if you can really see it. I'm going to zoom in if I can. But if you go here, when someone is a new channel member, they're going to get this badge. When they've been a channel member for a month, they get this badge. When they've been a channel member for a year or 2 years, they get these badges. And you can kind of see how many of channels are members under the specific category and how many people will be eligible for that specific perk. Now, how do you manage your members? Well, it's very simple. You go to your community here under Creator Studio, go to channel memberships, and then right here where you see your channel members, click that guy there. And then once you're under that tab, it's going to show you the different people who have supported you and are now your channel members, how long it's been since they've decided to show you that support. And then at the top here, it's going to give you a number, like mine says 6 here. It's going to give you a number of how many channel members that you have on your YouTube channel. Now, if you'd like to be one of my channel members, you can click that join button right below the video. See what I did there? That's what you can do, and you can have access to those cool badges, some really cool perks and features, and I really hope you guys can utilize this on your YouTube channel to possibly have another form of monetization to make money from your content. Thanks, as always, guys, for watching my videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.